Welcome back to my channel, boys and ghouls. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm doing a pour using two 7x14-inch canvases, black paint for the base coat, and then 4 neon colors for the actual pour. So I will be doing a puddle pour into the shovel and then dumping the paint across the two canvases. So this part is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just covering both canvases with black, making sure to get all of my edges and corners. The black paint is actually mixed a bit thinner than the other colors. Alright, on to the fun part, puddling the paints into the shovel. So as I'm watching this, I'm wishing I hadn't done my curve in such an exaggerated way. I feel like my pattern would have come out a little bit nicer had I gone in more of a straight line with just slight curves. At this point, I'm loving the vibrancy of these colors. However, I am not feeling those two blotchy corners. So in a minute, I'm going to take the torch to this and see if any cells pop up, because I did have about 5 drops of silicone mixed into each color. So as you can see, I end up doing some more tilting because I just wasn't happy with the way it looked. And eventually I am going to take some black paint and just cover up those corners like you see here. I'm actually still not entirely in love with the way the design came out, but I think it looks much better with the black corners. Also, let me apologize for the camera angle. At some point my phone shifted or got bumped or something and I just didn't notice, so I do apologize. Alright, let me know what you guys think in the comments. I think it looks okay, I love the colors, but I do think I'm going to try this again and keep my line a little more simple. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my channel, and hit that bell icon so you're notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.